Okay, the first assignment here that I wanted to discuss with you is a simple assignment where you're going to let me know about whether or not you're going to take Introduction to Engineering Design, IED, here at Pulaski High School for 2 college credits through the University of Wisconsin Green Bay. In the past, we've been able to uh, take an end of course exam through Project Lead the Way, and based off the score you received on that exam, you were able to apply to various universities for college credit through Project Lead the Way. Last spring, when we went all virtual, that option went away, and in the current situation, I'm not sure if it's going to come back or not. That being said, through UWGB's recently started their engineering program at the campus in their new engineering school, and they are offering us the ability, and students have taken this in the past, to get 2 college credits through UWGB for IED class. That basically is a $200, $100 for each credit. Normally, those credits are about $325 per credit. So normally, a class would cost you about $650. It's going to cost you $200. On this assignment, I have a couple links here to take you out to the UWGB sites and with instructions on how to register yourself and fill out the application for the GB credit option. The assignment itself then, on 2A, if you decide to get college credit through UWGB, simply say, I'm going for college credit through UWGB in the text entry for this assignment. And then I know to look for your paperwork. Now, if you've already done that, still complete the assignment and say you're going for college credit. And I know there's about 6 of you that I've got emails on. If you decide not to get the college credit option through GB, simply let me know by saying no credit through UWGB in the text entry for this assignment. That's an easy 5 points for you to get. Okay, if there's any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them during our scheduled Google Meet time when your class meets. Thanks. Have a great day.